What is a noun? Well, noun is a word that is a person, place, or thing. In other words, if a word is a person, place, or thing, it is a noun. You may not realize this, but there are two types of nouns. There are common nouns and there are proper nouns. And what's exciting is by the end of this video, you're going to know the difference and you're going to be able to spot them and figure out which kind of noun a noun is. So first, common nouns. Well, common nouns name a type of person, place, or thing. So what about proper nouns? Well, proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing. So a common noun names a type of person, place, or thing. And proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing.